Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create karaoke text animation using VN video editor for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN video editor app and then I'm going to create new project. But wait, it's still loading. Okay, I'm going to click on this plus icon and choose new project and choose video paste. All right, and then I'm going to go to this tag and I'm going to add this black background to my project. But wait guys, let me change the aspect ratio. I'm going to choose this landscape ratio. All right, and now it's time to add text to this project. So I'm gonna click on tab to add subtitle, click text. And if you want to add karaoke animation, you can scroll down until you find the subtitle category. Select view more and you can choose this animation. Okay, then you can type in something here. I'm going to click on edit and I'm going to type in a lyric. For example, this one. Wait. You can type the lyric or the text like this guys. Oops, I'm going to enter. Wait. Let me enter it here. Okay, we cannot enter it. Sorry. Okay, and then I'm going to play it. Yeah. And then I'm going to edit it one more time. Okay, and unfortunately, we cannot customize the speed for the animation. So yeah, it can only like this. Unfortunately guys, we cannot customize the speed. Okay, and yeah guys, that's all the tutorial to create karaoke text animation, even though we cannot customize the speed, but yeah, it's useful for us to create this kind of text, especially to create caption or maybe lyrics. And again, that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.